Bonjour. Today I'm going to lead you through a dictée at the A1 level. So what a dictée is me saying sentences to you very slowly and you writing down everything you hear. And so this is a good exercise in listening comprehension and also for your written production. It's done a whole lot in France because there's so many letters. When you see them on paper, they're there, but you don't hear them when they're spoken. So a lot of times dictées are not done on video. They're just audio. But for non-native speakers, I think it's very helpful for you to actually see the person's mouth moving. Okay, otherwise it can be very difficult, and especially at an A1 level. So this A1 level, what we're going to cover as far as grammar goes is regular French verbs ending in ER, IR, and RE, reflexive verbs in the present tense, le futur proche, the passé composé with avoir, the imperfect tense, and direct and indirect object pronouns. So you see here to the left, you have a little support guide ready for you to go and download, okay? You can follow the link down in the bottom. You can download this at the Love Learning Languages French Academy. And so you have paper where you can see all the grammar included, another page where you can actually write your dictée, and then on the last page you can see the correction and the translation in English. So make sure you go and grab that. It's free, okay? So here we go. When you're ready, just put me on pause, and then when you're ready, we'll go. Okay. Le voyage. Sophie et Julien aiment voyager. Point. Sophie et Julien aiment voyager. Point. L'année dernière, ils ont voyagé en Italie. Point. L'année dernière, ils ont voyagé en Italie. Point. Ils ont voyagé en voiture pendant ce voyage. Point. Ils ont voyagé en voiture pendant ce voyage. Point. Mais il y avait beaucoup de monde sur la route. Point. Mais il y avait beaucoup de monde sur la route. Point. Cette année, virgule, ils ont décidé de partir en Espagne. Point. Cette année, virgule, ils ont décidé de partir en Espagne. Point. Sophie s'amuse en voiture, mais Julien n'aime pas ça. Point. Sophie s'amuse en voiture, mais Julien n'aime pas ça. Point. Il lui dit donc qu'il préfère prendre le train. Point. Il lui dit donc qu'il préfère prendre le train. Point. C'est plus rapide et c'est bien moins stressant. Point. C'est plus rapide et c'est bien moins stressant. Point. Allez, c'est la fin. Okay, so if you need to, go back through it again, check your work, and then go and look at the correction that you will have found on the support guide and the translation. Maybe you find some new words in here, okay? You can also find dictations at the levels A2, B1, and B2 at the LLL French Academy. Okay, so you can find all the links that you need. Now, what happens in the other dictates at the different levels, of course, there's a lot more grammar involved, but we're still talking about Sophie and Julien traveling around. So it's kind of fun. It's the same story. It just gets more and more involved with each dictée that you take. Merci beaucoup et je vous dis à très bientôt.